Namaskar. I hope you're enjoying my videos. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? You can click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive regular updates from me. I'm making these short videos so that you don't waste your time in watching lengthy videos. These are very short and crisp videos. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today I'm going to share the story of a person who made big in his late 60s. So there is no age to learn something new, and it's never too late to start something in life. When we say finger licking good, everybody knows we are talking about Kentucky's Fried Chicken, KFC, as everybody knows. So does anyone know or everyone know that the founder of KFC, Colonel Harlan Sanders, started this business in his late 60s? Colonel Harlan Sanders did many things before he became popular, and he became a very big businessman with KFC. He was rejected many times. He started many businesses and he could not succeed. And luckily he had a recipe of fried chicken with him after he failed in many ventures, and he was in his mid 60s. He went to various towns and cities and met various restaurants and asked them to try his recipe and start selling it. But none of the restaurants accepted his offer, and they gave him any work. They just rejected him outright. So after many attempts, one restaurant accepted his recipe, and then rest is history. So in life we also get rejected, and we get disappointed many times when we fail. So we should take a lesson from this story and do not lose hope. It's never too late to start anything in life, first of all. I'll also cite a short example of my own mother. My mother did her metric. In those days, metric used to be the qualification. So she did her metric from Punjab University and came second. When she already had two daughters, my two elder sisters were born, and she did her metric and came second. She used to tell us that there is no age to learn anything new, there is no age to start anything new. So I've always kept this in my mind. Whenever I did something in life, I always heard my mother's voice saying it's never too late. So it's never too late for any of us to start something. Don't get dejected when you are rejected. Don't get disappointed. There is always something for you there. So stay positive, stay happy. God bless us all.